Hey car enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the future of driving? The 2025 Toyota Corolla is here, and it's bringing a mix of nostalgia, innovation, and style that you won't want to miss. Stick around because we've got all the details on this iconic car's latest evolution, including a special edition that's turning heads everywhere. The 2025 Toyota Corolla is here to prove why it's been a trusted name in the automotive world for decades. Known for its reliability, efficiency, and sleek design, this year's model takes things up a notch with a special edition that pays homage to its legendary past. Introducing the Corolla FX, a modern tribute to the iconic 1980s Corolla FX16. This special edition combines retro vibes with contemporary flair, featuring subtle yet eye-catching details like 18-inch alloy wheels, a bold rear spoiler, and a sleek black roof. It's a design that effortlessly blends nostalgia with modern sophistication, making it a standout on the road. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's both tech-savvy and stylish. The Corolla FX comes equipped with a massive 10.5-inch infotainment screen, which is also available as an upgrade on other trims. While this model isn't about raw power, it's all about delivering a sporty, fresh aesthetic that turns heads and makes every drive feel special. Under the hood, the 2025 Corolla is built for efficiency and performance. Its 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine pumps out 169 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT for smooth, responsive acceleration. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, the Corolla offers a balanced ride that prioritizes fuel economy without compromising on driving dynamics. So, what do you think of the 2025 Toyota Corolla and its special FX edition? It's a car that honors its roots while embracing the future, and we can't wait to see it on the roads. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your dreams driving forward. This is Car Release TV signing off.